welcome back. So today we're upgrading this B8.5 S5 with APR Stage 1 ECU software. So these cars are obviously 3 litre TFSI supercharged engines, so you get some quite big gains with doing the ECU software. So you should be able to see over 400 horsepower on these models, and then upwards of sort of like 430, 440 horsepower if you do the DSG software as well. This particular customer is just going with Stage 1, so we put it on the dyno earlier on. I'm going to flash it with APR Stage 1 and then dyno afterwards, and then compare some before and after figures. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we've just finished off dynoing the S5 after installing the APR Stage 1 ECU software, and we're just going to walk you through some of the gains. So behind me I've got the before and after. The dotted lines are the standard figures. The blue line is the torque, the red line is the horsepower, and then the solid line is as the car is now. So the car came in originally with around 333 horsepower and also around 323 foot-pounds of torque, so sort of bang on the standard power and torque figures, and then now it's leaving us with just over 400 horsepower and 365 foot-pounds of torque. So as you can see, there's massive gains all across the rev range. So at peak, this car's gaining around about 70, 75 horsepower and around 50 foot-pounds of torque. These cars, as obviously they're supercharged, the more sort of like RPM the higher the RPM they go, the more boost they'll generate. So these cars really also benefit from doing the APR DSG software as well. So the rev limit goes up to around 6,800 RPM, and then basically, as you can see, the power curve at the moment is just rising, and it will continue to rise. And on these cars, you can see around 430 to 450 horsepower by just doing that additional upgrade alone. Okay, so yeah, we're going to hand over the car to the customer and hope he enjoys.